Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and today I am going to cover an important transit, that is tomorrow 13th September 2020. After a very long time, Jupiter is now going to move in the direct motion in the sign of Sagittarius. So on 30th March 2020, Jupiter had entered the sign of Capricorn. Okay, and on 14th May 2020, he again became retrograde. That is, he started moving in the backward direction. And on 30th June 2020, he entered the Dhanu Rashi and continued in his retrograde motion. Okay, and now on 13th September 2020, Jupiter is again going to move in the forward direction. That is, the retrograde motion of Jupiter will stop and he will start moving in the forward direction towards the sign of Capricorn or Makar. And this is a very significant event. So in this video, let us try and analyze the implications of this forward motion of Jupiter in the sign of Sagittarius. Om Guru Bruhaspataye Namaha. So this is the placement of the planets on 13th September 2020. You can see that Jupiter is in his own sign, that is his own Mool Trikon sign of Dhanu Rashi or Sagittarius. Okay, and Jupiter owns this house, but what was happening was he was in the retrograde motion, that is he was moving backwards, okay, towards the sign of Scorpio. And now what has happened is he is going to move in the forward direction in the sign of Dhanu or Sagittarius towards the sign of Capricorn or Makar. So Capricorn or Makar is the sign where Shani, represented by the letters SA, is placed, and Dhanu is the sign where Jupiter, represented by JU, is placed. Now the sign of Sagittarius or Dhanu, where Jupiter, represented by the letters JU, is shown, is actually the Mool Trikon sign of Jupiter. This is the sign where Jupiter becomes extremely powerful and it is his own house. But what had happened was Ketu was in very close conjunction with Jupiter. Okay, and therefore Jupiter was not able to independently give his results. Also, Jupiter was moving in the retrograde direction, that is in the backward direction. Now, when a planet moves in the backward direction, it forces us to introspect. So what does Jupiter forces us to introspect? Jupiter represents our belief system. He represents dharma. He represents righteousness. Okay, he represents religion. He represents spirituality. He represents good conduct. And so when Jupiter is moving backward, he forces us to look within ourselves, to introspect our own beliefs, to check whether we are moving on the right path. And therefore, Jupiter also represents our optimism, and when this optimism is moving in a retrograde fashion, we feel a bit dejected in life. The situations that come in life are very challenging. Okay, and these challenges force us to introspect our own beliefs, to look at our own beliefs, to question our own beliefs. So this was happening from 14th May 2020 till now. Right now what has happened is Jupiter is stationary and retrograde. Okay, and within the next few days, that is around 10 days, Jupiter will start moving in the forward direction with a good speed. Okay, and on 23rd September 2020, Ketu will move into the sign of Scorpio or Vrishik, and Rahu will move from Gemini or Mithun into the sign of Taurus or Vrishab. Okay, so this is a big relief for the world. It is going to bring in a lot of good news. Now when Jupiter is moving in the forward direction, Jupiter represents our optimism, it represents our enthusiasm. Okay, so now whatever initiatives you want to take a full plunge at those initiatives. Go forward with what you want to do. Okay, do not hold yourself back. As Jupiter moves in the forward direction, he moves through two nakshatras, that is Purvashada and Uttarashada. Okay. Now the symbol of Purvashada is shown by a winnowing basket. What you do in this is basically you separate the good things from the bad things. Just as when you are weaving the threads of a basket, You remove the bad threads and the good threads, right? So in your life, you should do the same thing now. You have introspected a lot in the past few months. So now decide what is good for you, okay, and take a plunge in that direction. So Jupiter moving through Purvashada in the forward motion tells us, go ahead, take a plunge, I will support you. So this is a very good time to involve yourself in a spiritual pursuit, to improve yourself, okay, because Jupiter, the upholder of Dharma, is placed in the ninth house of Dharma itself, okay, and he is telling you move forward. He is telling you move forward in the direction of God, move forward in the direction of your goals, do whatever it takes to achieve your goals now. So if something was holding you back, now it will not hold you back. You will be able to go forward and achieve what you want. Now in reality there is one small problem right now, okay, because Mars has turned retrograde in the sign of Aries or Mesh from 10th September 2020, and he will remain retrograde till 13th November 2020. Okay, so what is Mars now? Mars is nothing but the action that we take, the dominating force within us, our passion, okay. And when Mars is moving backward, what it means is you may find some kind of a block in attaining your passion, right? You may feel some kind of frustration, some kind of roadblock. But now this roadblock, which is there due to this retrograde motion of Mars, that is greatly resolved by Jupiter, because sitting in the sign of Sagittarius, Jupiter is putting his fifth aspect on the sign of Aries or Mesh, where Mars is placed and represented by the letters Ma. Okay, so even if Mars is moving in the retrograde direction, you will still be able to attain your goals through your own willpower, through your own determination, which is given by Jupiter, who is moving in the forward direction. Okay, and also aspecting Mars simultaneously with his fifth aspect. So if you get any good opportunity after 13th September 2020, okay, just grab it. Don't be scared, just grab that opportunity and go ahead. Also, you will see one very interesting thing. Jupiter is in his own house in the sign of Sagittarius. Okay, Shani or Saturn is in his own house in the sign of Makar right now. Mars or Mangal is in his own house in the sign of Mesh right now. Okay, Moon or Chandra on 13th September is in his own house in the sign of Kark or Cancer. Sun or Surya is in his own house in the sign of Sima or Leo. And Mercury or Budh, represented by the letters Me, is in his own house in the sign of Virgo or Kanya. Also on 23rd September 2020, Ketu moves into the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio is again like Ketu's own house. Okay, and Rahu moves into the sign of Taurus. Rahu is doing well in the sign of Taurus also. So you can see almost 6 to 7 planets are placed in their own house. And when planets are placed in their own house, they are very comfortable and they can give good results. Okay, so combined with the forward motion of Jupiter and the placement of these 6 planets in their own house, we are going to get very good results. So the world is going to prosper a lot. The difficulties that are there in the path of the world will now get resolved to a very large extent. Okay, so till 20th November 2020, it is a very good time because of this forward motion of Jupiter. And Jupiter will bring in lot of good news, lot of optimism, okay, and lot of enthusiasm within us. So if there is any opportunity, if there is any good thing we want to do, grab that opportunity, go ahead, take the risk, don't worry. Also, since Jupiter is in the ninth house, the ninth house is the house of Dharma, good luck, Bhagya. Okay, it is a very good time for us to involve ourselves in our spiritual pursuits, to surrender to the will of God, okay, to pray to Him, and to do all the good things, to serve humanity. So this is a very good time. So the next time period, that is till 20th November 2020, it is a very good time for the world. Also, the way the planets are placed right now, okay, you can see almost 6 to 7 planets in their own house. This is a very rare combination which occurs once in several hundred years. Okay, so when there is a story in Ramayana that when Ravan's son Meghnad was born, okay, Ravan was a very great astrologer and he wanted his son to be very powerful. Ravan was also a great devotee of Shiva, okay, and he had so much power that he could control all the 9 planets, and he made them placed in a particular way so that his son becomes very powerful and famous. And you can see almost the same kind of combination of planets right now in the zodiac belt. That is, almost 6 to 7 planets are in their own house and are well placed. So this is a very good time to seek the blessings from your guru, because those blessings will help you move forward. So if you are worshipping a guru such as Sai Baba, Swami Samarth, Lord Dattatreya, okay, or even Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu, do that with full faith, with full enthusiasm, and that is going to give you good results. But now I also wish to warn you with something. Okay, this good period that we are going to see, okay, that is only going to last till 20th November 2020. Why? Because after 20th November 2020, Jupiter moves out of his own sign of Dhanu, okay, and he enters into the sign of Makar or Capricorn, where Jupiter actually becomes debilitated. But even then, Jupiter will be in conjunction with Saturn, and Saturn is the ruler of Makar Rashi. And this actually causes a Nichbhang Rajyog. Okay, so still Jupiter will have some power, but he may not be able to give the same good results that he was giving till 20th November 2020. And when Saturn and Jupiter combine, okay, there are different possibilities such as wars, earthquakes, etc. So that is one thing we need to be very careful about after 20th November 2020. Also, when Jupiter moves in his debilitation, okay, even though he is conjunct with Saturn, it can lead to a downfall in the economy. So that is one great area of concern. Particularly in the months of December 2020 and February 2021, I foresee a great fall in the economy. Okay, there could also be warlike situations that may come up during these times. So that is what we need to be very careful about and utilize these 2 months that we get to the best possible extent that we can. So friends, this was my analysis of Jupiter's direct motion starting from 13th September 2020 in the sign of Dhanu, and which will last till 20th November 2020 within the sign of Dhanu. Okay, so utilize these 2 months to the best of your ability, engage in service to mankind, service to the poor, prayers to God. Okay, and Jupiter will definitely give you a lot of prosperity, lot of benefits in this period. If you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. You can subscribe to my channel Kamath Astrology by clicking the subscribe link if you have not done so that you are notified automatically when I add a new video. For any queries, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we will be glad to assist you. You can also reach us through our website astroseva.tripod.com or our mobile application Kamath Astrology on Google Play Store. So friends, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you soon shortly with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.